Here I come.
What?
Yeah, I get lucky.
Another one.
The Magician.
Magandang hapon mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Welcome to Reyes the Pool Legend reaction and commentary videos. For today's reaction video, ito pag-usapan natin yung invitational money game ni Efren Reyes versus dito kay Teddy the Bear Williams. Isa sa pinakamagagaling din yan na money game no dyan sa US. Hinamon niya si Efren Reyes as an invitational match. Dito nga nanalo sa lag si Reyes kaya siya yung nag-break sa rack number 1. 9 ball ito, race to 9 with alternate breaking format. Walang pumasok sa break na yan ni Reyes, kaya back to table itong kalaban niyang si Teddy Williams. Winners take all no, $1,000 yan, money game match. At dito nga mukhang mapapasabak itong kalaban ni Reyes. Dahil nga sariling pusta no nitong kalaban niya, $1,000, ibig sabihin 50 to 55,000 pesos yan. Race to 9. So, not bad. Parang dito lang sa Pilipinas. Hindi pumasok yung uno, kaya back to table agad si Efren Reyes. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
All right, Billy Thorpe is going for some specialty equipment. He's bringing out his hand shoe jump cue, and he's going to jump over this 3-ball. And he's calling the 2. Well, that was a great attempt, but Efren Reyes will have a clear shot at the 1-ball now with an open pocket, a chance to strike first. Well, Billy Thorpe winning the lag and has a nice opening break, but missed the 1-ball shot and became a strategic.
At dyan nga sa posisyon ng bola na yan, nagawa pa rin na maibang shot ni Reyes yung sa side pocket, no? At nakakuha pa ng magandang ball position doon sa 7. Kaya tingnan natin kung ma-run out ni Reyes itong rack number 1. Medyo maganda yung pinapakitang pocketing style dito ni Reyes. Aiming sa 9, ayun, medyo kumanto, mukhang may harang doon sa kanto na yon, hindi pumasok, no, at kakaiba yung movement ng bola. Tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan nito ni Williams at maka-score siya dito sa rack number 1. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
1-0. Rack number 2 coming up. Efren Reyes will be breaking. Just to our left, we have RoboCop, Dennis Orcoyo, playing the baby-faced killer, Tyler Steyer. Tyler winning a match over Jeremy Jones to get to play Dennis Orcoyo. Here's Tyler Steyer taking a look at the 9-10 to win a game with Dennis Orcoyo on the next table. Efren Reyes getting the balls set for his break, and we'll be moving back to the feature table here momentarily. Tyler Steyer here, or as I like to call him, the baby-faced killer. Great player out of Wisconsin. Nice out, and Efren Reyes has the balls ready to break, and we'll be moving to rack number 2.
At dito nga mukhang nai-open na ni William itong tira kay Reyes. Back to table si Reyes ngayon, no? At dito last ball para sa rack number 1. Tingnan natin kung sino maka first blood.
Kick shot here. I believe the 8 ball's got him blocked for a clear view of the 1. It's nice to see Efren here playing rotation games. He's really been focusing more on his one pocket game here in the last few years. And we will be seeing Efren in some one pocket action.
At dito nga pumasok yung 1-0 ang score natin, no? Nakauna dyan si Reyes. Dahil ng alternate breaking format yan, si Williams naman ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 2. Tingnan natin kung makabawi siya dito sa kanyang break na ito at makaposisyon yung kanyang cue ball. Mukhang walang pumasok, no, dyan sa break na yan ni Williams. Medyo mahina yung pagkaka-break. Tingnan natin, back to table ngayon si Reyes. Sundan natin mga kabilyard. Napakahusay nung pina na yun ni Reyes doon sa 1, no? At dito makikita ninyo yung control niya sa bola. Nagkaroon pa ng ball position dito sa ball number 2. So tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan ni Reyes ito at makarun out siya sa rack number 2.
Very small piece of the 1 ball that Efren was going for. He missed it. Billy Thorpe will have ball in hand now and a chance to tie things up. Everything's pretty much available.
At dito nga mukhang ninipisan na naman, masyadong manipis yung sais na yon, kaya nag-cliffhanging doon sa corner pocket. Open na open ngayon dito kay Williams, no? Pwedeng ma-steal ni William itong rack number 2 kay Reyes. Pero tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan niya ni Williams. Sundan pa rin natin mga kabilyard.
Well, looks like Efren's coming to the table again with a clear shot on the 4-ball. And tell you what, doesn't matter how great you play, playing Efren Reyes can be intimidating.
At dito nga, nasa last ball na itong si William at medyo malapit na itong 9 sa corner pocket, no? Mukhang makakatabla siya dito. Aiming si William sa 9 sa corner pocket sa ibaba. At dito nga, sinipat ng mabuti. Unfortunately, masyadong manipis, no? At mukhang makakatsamba pa siya doon sa side pocket. Ganun nga ang nangyari doon, mga kabilyard. Hindi makapaniwala itong si William sa tira niya na yon. Ganun pa man, all-one ang score natin. Si Reyes ang magbe-break sa rack number 3.
He's looking at a 2-0 lead. Efren Reyes 2-0. Billy Thorpe will be breaking rack number 3. I'd like to welcome all of you pool fans here with us celebrating the Asian Culture Day tournament here live from the Orleans Casino. I'm your host, Ray Hansen, and Billy Thorpe set to break rack number 3. Here we go. It's a great break, and Billy has made the 8-ball, and he's got a shot at the 1. It's like a fantastic opportunity here.
Mukhang maganda yung momentum dito ni Reyes. Nasa last 2 balls siya sa rack number 3. Aiming siya ngayon sa 8 doon sa corner pocket. Tingnan natin kung papasok ito, mga kabilyard. Pasok yan at tingnan natin kung makaposition siya dito sa 9. Medyo alanganin yung position dahil naka-vertical, no, yung cue ball. At kailangan pang pinahin ni Reyes itong 9 sa corner pocket sa ibandang ibaba. Tingnan natin kung mag-succeed. Medyo makapal ang tira doon ni Reyes at dito nga sinama na naman si Reyes. Very disappointed si Reyes. Patawa-tawa lang siya. At back to table ngayon si Williams, no, may chance ngayon na ma-steal niya itong rack na ito. Kaya sundan natin, mga kabilyard.
Ball control off of his bank shots as well. Came off a little hot. They'd be looking to play a safety here. Just going to roll the cue ball up behind us.
At dito nga mukhang sumablay itong si William, no, naghahanap ulit ng tsamba pero hindi na napagbigyan. Dahil dito mukhang babalik sa table si Reyes at may chance siya ngayon na maipasok itong 9 dahil straight shot na lang yan dito sa corner pocket sa ibaba. Yung score natin all-1 raised to 9. Tingnan natin kung makapunto si Reyes dito sa rack number 3. Panoorin natin, mga kabilyard. At dyan nga mukhang sinasama si Reyes sa posisyon nung packet na ito, no. Medyo mahirap yung pagpasok dito, mukhang manipis, makipot yung butas, kaya laging nagmimintis dito sa area na ito. Back to table si William, pero mahirap yung posisyon ng cue ball at itong object ball. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Wow, what a safety from Efren Reyes. That was a pretty amazing shot there. Let's take another look at it here. 2 rail kick, 1, 2, boom.
At dito nga mukhang magbabang shot si William. Medyo mahirap ito mga kabilyard, no, dahil dikit yan at malapit na dito sa side pocket. Pagtira ni William, medyo sinama siya dyan, hindi niya nakuha. Dito nag-open shot dito kay Reyes, open table yan. Chance ni Reyes ngayon na may steal niya itong rack number 3. At dito nga pumasok, no, medyo naghang yan. At dito pumasok yung 9. 2-1 ang score natin, kaya si William naman ang magbe-break sa rack number 4. At dito tingnan natin kung makabawi si William sa rack number 4 na ito. Breaking siya dito sa rack na ito, at yun nga may pumasok doon sa corner pocket. Maganda at natsambahan, no, naka-flock siya doon ng tira. Kaya tingnan natin sa pagbabalik ni William. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Great shot from Efren. Gets the 5 ball down as planned and knocks the 6 ball around to come into position. Beautiful shot. Efren set to take rack number 3 now as well.
Dito medyo mahirap yung posisyon na ito. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ni Reyes. At mukhang sinipat niya, no, yung ikot nung object ball, itong 4. Mukhang magpo 4 rail bank shot si Reyes dito. At dito nga nag 4 rail bank shot si Reyes. Tingnan natin kung papasok.
We'll go 3-0 ahead of
Yeah, boy.
What's been the shot? The shot that got him there. The shot that started it all. This one here, this kick shot here, 2 rail kick into the 4 ball with a safe behind the 10 ball. It's a pretty solid shot there. And Efren Reyes 3-0.
At doon nga, dahil sa kanyang 4 rail bank shot na yun, napakahusay nung ginawa doon ni Reyes. Nakakuha siya ng magandang ball position, pero dito mukhang hindi napagbigyan si Reyes sa kanyang tira na yan. Medyo makapal. Kaya hindi pumasok back to table ngayon itong si William. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
All right, Billy Thorpe will be starting off with the ball in hand here. Everything's available. Efren Reyes with a scratch on the break. Billy Thorpe needs to capitalize right here. 2 ball is in a funny spot down below the 5, if you notice.
At dito nga, last ball na si Reyes. 2-1 ang score natin. Mukhang abante na naman ng 1 puntos. Pasok yung 9. 3-1, no? Additional point yan. Si Reyes naman ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 5. Kaya sundan pa rin natin to mga kabilyard. Lamang si Reyes ng 2 puntos. 3-1 ang score natin.
All right, Billy Thorpe, 4 strokes away here from getting on the board. All right, Billy Thorpe, just a couple of strokes from taking down rack number 4 here and getting on the board. We've got special guests joining us here once again, the promoter of the event here, Ken Shi. And welcome, Ken. How you doing today, sir?
I'm good. Thank you, Ray.
How about this match? Is this pretty exciting?
Yeah, I just walked up and I missed that kick shot I would really want to see.
Yeah, we'll show that again here in a second. The kick shot that really netted Efren the last game there. One of our hottest players here in the U.S. He's having a little jitters here.
At dito nga mukhang minamalas itong si William, no? Medyo makapal at manipis yung tira niya kaya hindi pumapasok. At dito back to table si Reyes, mukhang may chance siya na makuha niya itong rack number 5 na ito. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Down for a safety kick return.
Wow.
And that ended up netting him the game there. It's good stuff.
You know, majority of us, when we kick at a shot, we just want to hit the ball. Efren, when he kicks it, he knows the speed of which side of the ball, how much he's going to catch it.
Yeah, exactly. Well, you know, I gotta tip my hat to you and the staff here for the event here. Y'all have done a fantastic job putting this thing together on short notice, and it's really an honor to be a part of it. But tell us about the event here and the date. Why on this date?
Well, last year, a bill was passed through the Senate that was signed off by.
At dito nga last 2 ball na lang itong si Reyes at nakita natin yung posisyon ng cue ball, medyo mahina iyan, hindi nakakuha ng magandang posisyon. Perpendicular na naman, no, yung angle nitong 9 ball dito sa cue ball. Medyo mahirap to mga kabilyad. Tingnan natin kung mapina ng maayos. Medyo manipis pa yung tira na yun ni Reyes. Kaya ito mukhang napagbigyan dito ng isang open shot, no, para dito sa ball number 9. Itong si Teddy Williams. Mukhang may steal nga ni Williams ito dahil tutok na yung 9. At ito nga pasok to 3-2, no, yung score natin. Nakapuntos pa dyan si Teddy. At dito sa rack number 6, mukhang siya ang magbe-break at race to 9 yan. Tingnan natin kung makabawi pa dito ng isang punto si Teddy. Maganda yung pagkaka-break niya. 2 bola kagad pumasok dito sa corner pocket. At meron siyang available shot sa next object ball. Kaya sundan natin mga kabilyard.
All the different culture,
Yeah, it's really
flags, and also we had special music playing, and then we also have some other events, a show of shows at the Rio, which we have from different countries. Asian countries are coming in, and they're doing special shows to represent their country. So that'll be a good one. And then we have at SLSC, we got the Cannes Expo, which businesses come in, and we have
So the pool tournament here, along with all these other events, all really just came together very quickly when this holiday became passed. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
So that was just earlier, like maybe February this year, correct?
Well, the other ones have been set since late last year, but this year, the pool tournament, I was brought in February, so I only had a few months to be able to throw this all together. And you know what? At times I was sweating, but we did get this through, and it's I'm very, very happy. I mean, we got a great team with Kovac Productions, and we have the help from Vivian. I mean, it's great. We have a great field.
Yeah, fantastic field. Well, I think once players see that this is the type of event this is and the people behind it, you're gonna see more and more support each year as this thing continues.
Yes, and next year we will have we'll have more time, and we're going to make it even bigger next year.
Yeah, it's exciting. Well, Efren Reyes right now pockets a 10, but it will not count unless he called the 10. Yeah, okay, he'll split. Okay.
At dito nga, last 2 ball na lang itong si William, mukhang nakabalik siya sa kanyang momentum dito sa kanilang laban ni Reyes. Aiming sa 8 sa corner pocket. Tingnan natin kung magawa niya ang paraan yan. At dito nga, maganda yung pagkakashot at mahusay din yung pagkakaposisyon ng cue ball. At dito mukhang may chance na tumabla si Williams sa score na 3-2, no? At siya pa rin ang nasa table at ito pipinahin niya yung 9 para sa puntos. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
It's hindsight now. And Efren's, he's got a great angle.
At doon medyo sinama na naman sa pangatlong pagkakataon itong si William, no? Manipis yung tira niya. Laging sa last shot yan at dito nagbubulungan yung mga audience, no? Mukhang easy shot yun, hindi na ipasok ni William. $100,000 pa naman niya, ay $1,000, no? At dito na ipasok ni Reyes. Puntos ka agad kay Reyes yan, 4-2. At lamang na si Reyes ng dalawa dito, raise to 9. Si Reyes pa rin ang magbe-break sa rack number 7. At dyan sa break ni Reyes na yan, merong pumasok doon sa corner pocket. May available shot ba siya sa next object ball? Meron. Kaya maganda yung position ng cue ball. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Well, Efren's falling pretty straight on the 6 ball, and getting on the 7 is going to be really tricky right now.
At dyan nga, medyo si Reyes naman ang sinama doon sa corner pocket na yun. No? Medyo gipit talaga itong ganitong klaseng billiard dahil makipot, no? Yung bukana ng butas or pocket. Dahil nagki-cliff hanging sila dyan at talagang kailangan precision shot yung mga ginagawa nila dito. Medyo napagbigyan ng tira dito si Teddy at tingnan natin kung maka-run out siya dito sa rack number 7.
Be sure and look for these videos, folks, on the Fada Vlogs on YouTube channel. They're all going to be loaded up there. And we're also recording a second table, so there'll be more matches than you were able to see on the live stream as well.
Yes. Okay.
Thanks, Ken. Appreciate
Thank you,
you.
Ray.
Efren Reyes takes rack number 5 and goes up 4-1 now.
At dito nga, nasa last ball na naman itong si William. Tingnan natin kung mape-perfect niya na ito dahil sa kanina, pangatlong pagkakataon, nagmiminti siya sa mga last ball. At ito, last ball ulit si William dito sa rack number 7. Tingnan natin kung ma-perfect niya na ito at pumuntos ng isa, no, dito sa score na 4-2. At aiming si William dito sa 9, medyo manipis pero ganun pa man, naipasok pa rin ni William. So pasok yan, 4-3 ang score natin. Naka-score dyan si William. At dito sa rack number 8, siya ang magbe-break. Tingnan natin kung maka-break and run siya dito. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
All right, Efren Reyes up 4-1 on Billy Thorpe, and we've got a special guest stopping by right now with us, two-time world champion and national champion as well, Mary Kinniston, the First Lady of Pool. How you doing, Mary?
Easy. Hi, everybody. What a match this is. What a treat.
Yeah, the magician here. This Efren's one of his retirement tour stops. And we're honored to be here.
It's kind of like the old guard versus the new guard.
That's it for sure.
Yeah.
Well, Efren's it's been a nice break here, but the 4-ball may have him for the 1. I can't tell from this angle.
Yeah, he might be able to hit it full in the face, but I don't think he could hit it enough to make it. Of course, he could say around it and make it. I've seen him do that before. Where's the 2?
2's
That's
hanging.
down here hanging,
Yep.
right?
Yep, bottom right.
Well, he's either going to try to kick it in or he's going to...
He could push out also. Would be another option.
Yeah, but, you really don't want to push out unless you have absolutely nothing
Yeah, that's for sure.
to do, because you don't want the other guy to get to the table.
Well, he's really studying this one.
Yeah, I think he might try to Matsei around it.
It's an important shot.
Because I think if he makes it, as long as he doesn't hook himself, he's got a shot on the 2. No, he's going to push out. Or is he going to kick at it? See, I thought he might try to kick 1 rail. Okay, he did push out. Oh, he blocked the bank. Okay.
Well,
That's
he's
a good shot.
yeah, he's cut off the 1 rail from Billy and not.
And didn't leave it on the rail where it would be easier to make.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
It looks like it's out at least an inch, maybe 2.
And the 1 is frozen to the
Frozen.
rail. It looks like, so that's going to be really hard.
Full in the face.
I'm anxious to see what Billy's going to come up with here.
Well, I think that he was just, thin the 1, try to leave it by the first diamond down there, and then bring the cue ball up table.
At dito aiming si Williams, no, medyo manipis yung tira niya sa 2. Very disappointed na dito si William. Nakataya yung $1,000 niya dito at si Reyes hindi kapag bibigyan nito kapag binigyan mo siya ng tira. At dito nga maganda yung layout ng table. Kalat yung bola, no, kaya may chance si Reyes ngayon na ma-run out niya itong rack number 8. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Oh, but he can't cut it to the left-hand pocket.
He might be able to bank it back down into the
He
2
might
ball.
he might be banking it to the left side, or just, wow, he tried to spin around it and cut. Oh, he scratched.
Yeah, got him. All right, Billy Thorpe now with ball in hand and a chance to pull within 2, and it's his break also if he can get out here. Well, it'll be his break no matter what.
Right. Okay, 1 to the 2 to the 3. It looks like the key to this match is getting from the 5 to the 6, which shouldn't be that hard. Or maybe the 8 to the 10. But other than that, it's pretty routine, I think.
Yeah, well, this one's no bargain here either, but he can just play back to the center of the table.
Yeah, should draw it out. So he got he should have stayed closer to the center of the table, the middle of the table.
At dyan nga, last ball si Reyes, napakahusay ng kanyang cue ball control, no, at ball positioning. Pinapakita ni Reyes dyan yung kanyang husay at kanyang pagka-veterano sa billiard. 5-3 ang score natin, lamang na ng 2 puntos si Reyes. Siya ang nag-break dito sa rack number 9, may pumasok sa corner pocket. May available shot ba siya dyan sa next object ball niya? Tingnan natin. Mukhang merong available shot nga. Kaya sundan pa rin natin mga kabilyard.
Casualty immediately. I don't think Jeremy's awake yet. He just drove the headphone right into his forehead. Oh. Oh, it closed on you. Oh, poor Jeremy. He's wounded before he even gets in action. Ladies and gentlemen, Jeremy Jones.
Hey, Mary, how you doing? And great shot there by Efren.
I'm doing good. Just 1 rail up for the 6?
He'll probably catch 2,
maybe
just
to
as
slow
a
it down.
guide. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just that second rail gives you a nice guide coming down the table, and with the 10 being there. With the 10, if it wasn't there,
Right,
maybe
then
you
you
know,
might- right.
go 1 rail
Yeah.
because the tables are
Are they playing quick?
they're fast, I think, and
Yeah, he hit that very easily.
Yeah, and then
It
get
was
away
almost to the
Yeah.
rail.
Yeah, well,
Wow.
pool balls are a little gummy, surprisingly, so that's going to make the rails bounce a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have quite as much spin on the ball going into the rail, so
That's strange for them being gummy here in Vegas. It's so dry.
yeah. Okay, now we'll get
now,
to see
yeah,
his,
we'll see
his
some-
stroke, yeah. But there, this shot, a lot of people get fooled. They overhit it trying to pull the ball with low right where,
Would you hit it with inside and go?
no, he'll just pull this out to the center,
Yeah.
a little bit past center. Yeah. Great,
Yeah.
great. And that's
Nice
what
shot.
I wanted people to recognize right there. You realize he didn't overhit it, the ball at all. He just hit it real clean, let the angle
Let the
move the
English do the
ball.
work.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you, huge lead here in
Yes.
alternate break for
Alternate
sure.
break, it's tough to come back. We were talking about that yesterday.
Very doable though, believe it or not. It's weird how
Well,
the
with
pool.
the men, it's a lot, or let's put it this way: for the women, it's a little bit tougher because they don't have the big breaks like
Yeah.
some of the men do.
Yeah,
Even though some of them break really well and make a ball or two.
well, you just
Dito sa rack number 9, last 2 balls si Reyes at nakita natin yung chance nung kalaban niya pero nagmimintis, no? At dito si Reyes talagang kakainin ka ng buhay nito kapag binibigyan mo siya ng chance. At dito na napagbigyan na naman si Reyes sa isang table, sa isang rack na ito, no? Rack number 9. At aiming siya ngayon sa last ball. Pasok yung 9. 6-3 ang score natin. Kalahati yung lamang ni Reyes. Race to 9 lang yan. Pero nandito ngayon si William. Siya ang magbe-break sa rack number 10. Tingnan natin kung makabawi siya.
But what I've found here is not a very consistent break as far as the 10 balls. So you'll see a lot of guys putting a little more on it because the balls that usually go in, Mary, aren't always going towards the pockets. So
That's what Chen Siming was doing yesterday. She was breaking well and leaving the cue ball, controlling the cue ball, but she wasn't getting a look at the
At the
one
one, yeah.
or wasn't making any balls, so she started hitting them harder.
Right.
And she lost the cue ball.
Right.
Scratched once.
And that's the
Yeah.
thing, you know, especially these days, believe it or not, a lot of these players can break them really hard and really consistently, but you don't have to do it as all. Okay, great shot there. You don't have to do it as often these days, so you don't stay quite as in tune with the harder break.
Right.
Meaning like these guys, and Billy's crushing them right now, but even usually he won't hit them that hard. It's more of a pop.
Yeah, and look at Shane. Shane doesn't hit him with a lot of power.
And Shane's got the best
And
timing.
he's,
It's
the
just his
timing
timing.
is, yeah, he's unbelievable.
Yeah, it's
but you
through the
know,
roof.
he told me that he worked on it for months.
Oh yeah.
You know, with his
yeah.
grandfather racking for him in the basement, and
Oh, it's a little
boy.
thick, yeah.
Well, he took care of the 3 ball, so at least Efren
Efren
has
will-
to bank it.
Yeah, he'll bank at this, I
Yeah.
believe.
Yeah.
You'll notice if he, other than hanging the 3, getting back from the 3 to the 4, you can see where that 6 and 8 are. Could be real tough, just in case he misses it. Real tough for Billy to get back.
Right.
And Shane, getting back on that break, you know, that break's been around for a long time.
Yes, I remember
It's
watching
just
in
he-
1980
yeah,
that
he-
ring 10 ball
yeah,
game
exactly.
at
Same
Fast
balls,
Eddie's.
yeah, the same balls, everything. But he just has perfected it so much. Now he doesn't need this to get. Now this is the
Oh,
one
boy.
place to where
That's
it
the
does
one-
make it
yeah.
doable. Yeah,
Wow.
and Efren knew that.
He
That's
knew
why
it.
he's so upset.
Yeah.
You would think he's upset about missing the bank, and that's not really the case. He's a little upset about that, but really leaving a clean shot
Yeah.
on the 3 was the
Yeah.
one that upset
A
him.
fairly routine shot.
Now he's got to dodge the side pocket here because he's got to straighten this out a little bit. And he did.
He did. Very nice. Look it straight.
And it's amazing when you're down. Sometimes the
The
balls,
balls
just make
will not cooperate.
well. That and it's just going to make it as difficult as possible to get
Right.
back on the board. Is
Yeah.
what I mean. You know, kind of like
Yeah. He had enough room where he could really spin it down there. But, you know, now he's got to come back up this end, and he's got to go back that up. You know, he's got to go back and forth,
yeah.
which is tough, too.
And I'll tell you one thing that's I don't think sad's the word, but a little unfortunate for guys like Billy and a few of the others that are playing so many bar table events
Yes.
that your mindset a lot of time on the bar table. When the balls are tricky, you pay attention, but you know that you can do a lot of things
Right.
easily,
Yes.
right? So,
Yes.
but you get in that mindset playing on the big table, and it really costs you because it doesn't take much to get it out of line to where you can't run out. So,
Yeah, I talked to Shane a couple of tournaments ago, and he told me that he wished, because I played with his mother and his aunt. It's
Oh,
my
really?
era.
Oh,
you know.
okay.
And so we have that connection.
you talking about Van Boning?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
I didn't know
Oh,
his
yeah.
he had family that played.
Yeah,
I
his
knew he had
mother
an
and-
uncle
and
that
his
played
aunt.
also. Yeah.
Well, anyway, they played in BCA, and
Oh,
they
okay.
won the bar table championship a couple of times. You know, the two of them. But
Mm-hmm.
anyway, so that's how I kind of got a little bit connected with Shane. But he told me, he said, he always asked me about the old days, and he says he would love to have a tour
Oh, yeah.
like they had or even in the 80s when they just had all those tournaments. You know, it's a shame for somebody that plays his speed that he has to travel halfway around the world, you know, to compete. you know?
Yeah, and you know Shane got to play a lot of nice tournaments, but even the younger guys that are coming up.
At dito nga, last two balls si William, medyo manipis na naman ang tira niya doon. Humahanap na naman ng pagka-fluke shot. Hindi na pagbigyan. At dito, mukhang pangapat, panglimang pagkakataon sa pagmimintis yan ni William at nai-open niya kay Reyes. No? Mukhang willing na siyang ibigay yung $1,000 kay Reyes at manalo dito sa laban na ito dahil nga sa mga tirada ni Williams na yan. Mukhang first time niyang makalaban nga si Reyes dito, kinakabahan. At itong si Reyes, wala talagang kaba. Ito, tutok na tutok yung 9 sa corner pocket, pasok yan. 7-3 ang score natin mga kabilyard, no? Last 2 rack na lang si Reyes, siya pa rin ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 11. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
What happened to Efren, do you know? It looks like they shaved his
Well,
head
that's
in
what
that
I was commenting to a friend of mine. He must have had some type of
Must have hit his
treatment
head
or
or
something.
something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
something getting checked out there.
Yeah.
We would have certainly heard if there was some serious issues.
Yeah,
So,
he probably just hit his head on the dresser or something. Getting up,
well,
you know.
oh wow, I don't know if I've ever seen Efren hit him
I
any
was
better.
just gonna say, he hit him great. Remember,
I don't know
we
if I've
just-
ever
we
seen
just-
him hit
yeah,
any
I
better,
know. Man, that was fast. He must be practicing.
Well, on the
Wants to go out with a flourish.
yeah, well, on the camel tour, you know.
He was notorious for having the weak break.
Well, but the 10 ball, that's one of the times I learned this break is, or how defined the break can be, is from Efren. He used to set it up on the camel 10 ball tournaments. He would set the cue ball up on the end rail off a little bit like you might break 10 ball on the bar table. And he would draw the cue ball. He would set up in the center and he would draw the cue ball straight up to the end rail. And he
Just
would
straight back?
Yeah, and he would make the same balls that we all make now, the 2 balls on the
Right,
sides and the
yeah.
4 rails going 4
I'll have to try
corner-
that.
Oh, yeah.
When I get home.
And I haven't seen him do it, you know,
In a
going
long
on 20
time.
years, I guess.
Yeah.
But all right, now he's got to slow roll this, I think.
At dyan nga, sablay si Reyes sa ball number 3 na yan. Mukhang napagbigyan pa itong si William, no? Pero hindi maganda yung posisyon ng 3 at saka ng cue ball. Ang chance niya lang dito ay makapag-bank shot, no? Reverse o di kaya doon sa side pocket. Tingnan natin kung anong discarded dito ni William.
Oh, yeah.
Of Efren's game.
Now, see, all right, now he's still got issues because the 6 getting to the 9, he can't be on the bad angle of that. So he's going to bump this 6. He's got to make sure he doesn't get elevated, though.
At dyan nga, medyo masama yung pagkakabang shot ni William doon sa 3 sa side pocket. Medyo manipis yung tira na yon at hindi pumasok. Kaya open table ngayon kay Reyes, no? Mukhang sinasama talaga ng tira itong si William at wala siyang magawa kundi ibigay kay Reyes itong $1,000 na ito. Tingnan natin kung ma-run out ni Reyes itong rack number 11.
Natural to get on the 9, so
And the thing is, even if you're the greatest slow ball roller in the world, when you hit it slow, it's triple tough.
well, you don't want to do it anyways.
In the old days, we never hit
Yeah.
the ball soft because it was level. You didn't know what it would hit on the way to the
Well,
pocket.
and the
you know?
collision from cue ball to object ball can
It
become
can
very
change.
different. Yeah,
Yep.
exactly.
Yeah, so you
Doesn't
want to
take
hit it
much.
with at least a firm stroke.
I was going to say, I
Yeah.
think he's doing what
Oh,
you
he's,
said.
he's doing something we never thought
No,
of.
that's what I said. I think
you
he might
did?
come try and play short side just because it's so
okay.
natural.
I thought you meant short side on this side of the rail.
No,
In
it's
other
too
words,
tough a
over
shot to try
back.
and hold. Yeah. And this gives them options.
No,
That's
this
the
is a
beautiful
great
thing
shot.
about this. It gives them options.
Yeah.
At dyan nga maganda yung pagkakagawa ng tira ni Reyes, no? Open na open yan at yun pasok yung 8. Last ball si Reyes dito sa rack number 11 na yan. At mukhang mauna siya sa top of the hill, no? Ayun nga, pumasok yung 9. 8-3 ang score natin. Last rack si Reyes pero si William ang magbe-break sa rack number 12. Mukha talagang pinapahirapan ni Reyes itong kalaban niya na ito. Nag-break dito si William, mukhang walang pumasok. At back to table itong si Reyes. Last rack na lang si Reyes dito. 8-3 ang score, lamang ng 5 puntos. Tingnan natin kung maka-run out si Reyes dito at ma-claim niya itong $1,000.
I remember talking to him, and I've seen this in other places also. It's probably a fairly well-known story, but Efren, I asked Efren, how he came up with these shots that are so inventive. He says, I watch everybody. He says, even the people that can't play. He says, I've learned more from the people that can't play than the people that can.
Oh,
he says,
yeah.
because they'll do something that, they're not intentionally trying to do it,
Oh, absolutely.
but something good will happen. And he says, I'll practice it until I own it.
No, for sure.
Yeah.
And I've said that about recreational players is what Mary's referring to, like people that aren't even trying to play good pool or even better pool. But I'll watch them and you'll see something happen, and I don't know how many times I'll say, "Oh, that's a one-pocket shot.
Right.
That's a one-pocket
right.
shot. That's a
Right.
one-pocket
Or you've
shot."
been in that position, you didn't know what to do.
Right, right.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what's great about this game. You can learn.
Well, that's that
I
round.
love to watch it.
That round object thing.
Yes.
Round objects do a lot of crazy things. So
Yes, they do.
I think he's being aggressive here as
Yeah,
well.
he's using outside English.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay,
Wow.
left it tough though.
Yes,
I
he
don't even
did.
know if he can get at it. I think he can. If he can get at it, he needs to attack here. I don't
You
think
think
there's
he
gonna.
can hit it?
Yeah, and I think it's about where he can make it only. So
Well, yeah.
don't baby it.
Yeah, you're right. Boy, he overcut
Yeah,
it.
yeah, he
Wow,
overcut
so
it.
he could have made that. But he got fortunate.
Yeah, real fortunate.
At dyan nga, medyo sinama na naman ng pagkaka-kickshot itong si William. Open table ulit kay Reyes, no? Mukhang mahirapan talagang makahabol dito si William dahil sa kanyang mga tira na yan. At mukhang na-break na ni Reyes, no? Yung momentum nitong si William sa mga tira at saka patutsada ni Reyes. Masama yung pagkakaposisyon ng cue ball. Dumikit dito sa 9, nag-cluster ball yan. Kaya tingnan natin yung discarded dito ni Reyes kung pipinahin niya ba itong object ball niya. Mukhang ang object ball pala nandoon sa kanto, no, sa clip hanging nung sais. Mukhang gagawa ng paraan dito si Reyes. At dito nga nag-two-rail kick shot. Tamaan ba? Napakahusay nung ginawa na yun ni Reyes.
Started in the mid-70s.
Mhm.
So, except for guys at the pool room, and I never saw a 9-ball.
Mm-hmm.
Or we used to play Chicago, and that's what we called 15-ball rotation, and the partners were 1 and 5, and then you had money
exactly.
balls,
Yeah.
and you'd play so much at ball. And but that's the only exposure I had to rotation. So, the old timers, when I saw them play, they played straight ball, and
Sure.
even the young guys like Siegel and Hopkins
Oh
played
yeah.
straight ball.
Oh yeah.
That was what everybody played.
All right, he's going cross corner with this. Okay, nice shot. And you'll notice he hit it a little heavy into the pocket. That's
is
that great stroke
was that
got the ball.
intentional?
Well, no, I wouldn't say intentional, but I was just going to comment that the ball didn't even hesitate on going in because of how good the stroke was.
Right.
The follow through.
Okay.
The follow through really opens that pocket up. When you hit a little crudely, the ball wants to kind of keep going instead of just having that jar effect.
Right.
So,
And that's a huge difference too, even with players at my level and Efren's level. I mean, his stroke, he just knows so many things he can do with it.
oh yeah.
Things that don't even enter.
Oh, I don't know if that got there or
Did he
not.
hook himself?
Yeah. And that's twice on that.
At dito nga, last ball si Reyes, no? Nasa last ball na siya. At dito kinaliwa ni Reyes itong 9. Unfortunately, medyo makapal pa rin yan kaya hindi pumasok, no? Nagkaroon patuloy ng chance. itong si William para makabawi ng isang puntos dito sa rack number 12. At dito may chance si William na pumosisyon ng puntos at gumawa ng puntos ulit dahil nga na-open ni Reyes itong 9. Pasok yung 9 na yan, 4-8 ang score natin, lamang pa rin ang 4 na puntos si Reyes. Siya ang magbe-break sa final rack, no? Tingnan natin kung maka-break and run dito si Reyes. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
When the pressure's on, keep everything a little simple,
Right.
you know, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know unless it gets really on top of it. Giving up a nice shot here.
Yeah. Boy, Billy leaped out of his chair. He's ready. So you just slide over and shoot the 4 in the same corner? Or yeah.
A little heavy there. Now that's going to cause a problem.
Well, that's
He's
what
going
I
to
was
have
going to
to.
say. You'd have to hit it perfect.
He's going to have to let his stroke out here to bounce to the rail and back out.
Yeah.
Luckily, the 6 is real handy. Meaning, after he gets on this 5, all he really
Boy,
needs
he
to
hit
do
that
is
nice.
yeah.
Yeah, being with the 6 where it is, it makes the 5 a lot easier.
Right,
You
now
don't have to
if
worry
this-
so much about shape.
Yeah, that position on the 4 would have been a lot worse. Say the 6 was down here on the end rail where he really needed to get nice on that 5. So, and that's what I meant about the bar table kind of stuff. When you get in that bar table mode, you feel like you can get anywhere from
Right,
anything. Shots
right.
are easy.
Yeah,
This big table, you really need to pay
it
attention.
makes you work.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that was what I was saying before. It's such a shame that there are so many really good, young, great American players now that just need to get to that superstar level, but they don't get to play with each other enough. You know, like
right,
in the old
right.
days, you know, and to be tournament tough. You know, there's a big difference between tournament action and money action.
Oh, for sure. And the
Yeah.
pressure's different. Everything's
Pressure,
different.
everything's different. Yeah,
Well,
so
these
it's
guys,
a shame.
You know, these guys like Billy and Sky, and of course Justin we know about has been a
Right.
great player since he was 18 probably.
Oscar
yeah.
and,
But those guys are going to get there anyway. I think it's really the next wave that's really missing out. I was wondering why didn't he
Yeah.
just play for the corner?
I
Maybe
think the
that's
stretch got him.
yeah. He really got funny here now. Really funny. Oh yeah, that's what I say. He
Yeah,
got
he's-
really funny here,
Boy,
ladies
he's
and gentlemen.
angry.
But I was saying, I think it's really the next wave of players that are missing out. Like the top ones are going to get there no matter what, whether it takes them a little longer. But I think there's another 10 or 12, 15 guys.
Dito nga medyo nagtitrading sila ng play safe para sa kanyang position na yan. Dito nakakuha ng magandang tira si Reyes at nakuha niya magandang posisyon sa 2. May chance na ba si Reyes dito at kaya na niyang talunin itong si Williams para ma-take home niya itong $1,000 no? Medyo maliit lang ito sa US mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Halos kaparehas lang ng pusta dito sa Pilipinas, no? Medyo mataas pa nga ng pusta dito sa Pilipinas. Pero dahil nga invitational money game ito at 1,000 muna yung inilapag sa pusta na yan, kaya tingnan natin kung magawa na ni Reyes.
I want to see if Efren breaks him like he did last
Yes,
time.
that's what I was just going to say. That's the best break I've ever seen him do.
So let's see. What is Efren?
7-2 now.
No, I know, but the age.
He's either 63 or just turned
64,
64.
yeah,
But
that's
he's a year behind me,
Yeah.
and I'm going to be 65 in August.
Wow, I would have never guessed that, Mary.
Pushing Medicare. Is that
Obama?
Is that a hoot?
Yeah.
Pushing Medicare. Oh man.
Okay, pretty good. He got the one on the path he wants. He's going to
Yeah.
need a kiss on the cue
Oh,
ball.
yeah, he got it. But I think the 8's. The 8 might have him.
Yeah, it looks like.
At dyan nga sa huling pagkakataon, sumablay ulit si Reyes at binigyan ulit ng pagkakataon na makahabol, no? Itong si William. Dahil dyan, medyo mahirap pa rin yung posisyon ng cue ball. Tingnan natin kung magawa niya ng paraan.
Okay,
Well,
he
he
can
must be
see
able to
this
get the
because he's
edge.
definitely not kicking at this one, trying to come back. It's not sitting nice for that. That's got to go a little bit. Perfect. Whoa,
wait a minute,
wow,
leaked
went
out.
too long.
Leaked out. And he was playing, I think, to go into the 5.
Yeah, a little reference, a little cushion.
Yeah, and
And that gets him real close to the 8, meaning as far as making the jump a lot tougher.
and
Tough
look
shot
at
here
this.
after
Yeah, you're down 7-2.
At dito nga mukhang na-overstretch itong si William sa kanyang tako. Medyo mahirap position na yun mga kabilyard. No? Ayun, medyo sumablay siya doon at nag-concede na si William. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video.
The template's okay by me, but it's cost me a few times, meaning with the ball rolling.
Oh,